Good. Now, Susie was asking about organizing files and supplies like brushes and shapes. And I do have an article on that. And really, you can organize your files with subfolders. And that is probably the best way to get organized once you start accumulating a lot of supplies like brushes, picture tubes, frames, patterns, whatever. So I'm going to show you a little bit inside of my supplies. So I have my resources and I have my PSP files. So inside that, I will have, for example, picture tubes. Inside the picture tubes, I have my ball chains. I have the balloon twist. I have the beads, and well, some are not beads. I'll have here fringes. I have grass that I use for something else. Holiday of all kinds. I had some charms. I had some Christmas lights. See, lit icicles. Those are other kind of chains. I have my ropes, and there's quite a few. And what's interesting is that when you go inside your paint shop and you load your picture tubes, this is the example for picture tubes, but it's the same thing for brushes and all. Takes a little while to load them. I think I have a few picture tubes, as you can imagine. Everything in the store is also on my computer, plus all the test tubes that I did, drafts, etc. Yeah, a few picture tubes to load. It's always a little bit slower when I also stream. And I can see that Susan is asking if I have to point PaintShop to these folders. Yes, that's why. It was kind of not sure. Yes, you do have, because those are not the default folders, because the default folders are in the documents, PaintShop, and have all the versions here. So because I'm not using these folders, yes, I have to point my PaintShop to that folder where all those supplies are. So you can see here that I have on top all the categories, and all those same categories that I had. You see ropes, and I had grass, and I had holidays and beads and so on. All the subfolders are appearing. So that makes sometimes the process a little faster. So if I want to have, for example, the crocheted lace, I just go there and I have what I have. I don't have to scroll down as much as if I use all, and in which case I have really a ton of supplies. The same thing is good for brushes, even scripts. I'm not going to load it because it takes a while again. And that will really be much easier. So you can have a by category. You can have folders by designers or sources. So you could be a folder for everything from my store, a folder for something from a different store. You organize the way you want, and you'll have those subfolders that you can always refer to. Hey there! I hope you found this information helpful. If you're curious to dive deeper and explore more about PaintShop Pro, we've got a wealth of resources waiting for you in our membership area. There, you'll find in-depth classes, workshops, Q&A sessions, and much more to help you enhance your PaintShop Pro and digital scrapbooking skills. Feel free to check it out. The link is in the video description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the campus!